Maarten 14-in-1 Hammer Multitool, the ultimate dad gadget for survival, do-it-yourself, and outdoor adventures, perfect stocking stuffer. Elevate your gift-giving game with the Maarten 14-in-1 Hammer Multitool, a must-have for every dad who loves to tackle do-it-yourself projects and outdoor adventures. This all-in-one tool combines a hammer, pliers, saw, knife, and more, making it the ultimate gadget for camping, fishing, hiking, and survival. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer for every handyman or woman in your life. Designed with an upgrade in mind, this multi-tool features a new screwdriver bit holder with multiple tips, ensuring you're prepared for any task. The enhanced saw and blade are crafted for precision and durability, cutting through wood, bone, and plastic with ease. Constructed from rugged 3CR13 stainless steel, it promises wear resistance and a reliable, non-slip grip, making it your go-to tool for any rugged situation. Forget about bulky toolkits, this multi-tool is compact and comes with a convenient nylon pouch. Slip it onto your belt or tuck it into your backpack for easy access during your outdoor escapades. Whether you're hiking up a mountain or camping in the wild, this multi-tool is designed to be your trusty sidekick, always ready to assist you in a pinch. Safety is a top priority with the Maarten Multi-Tool. Its all-locking features ensure that every tool stays securely in place when fully opened, so you can work with confidence. Plus, the added emergency hammer function is a lifesaver in critical situations, such as breaking car windows during emergencies. It's a tool that not only gets the job done, but also provides peace of mind. Perfect for Father's Day, birthdays, or Christmas, this multi-tool is more than just a gift. It's a practical and thoughtful present. With its superior performance, exceptional quality, and affordability, the Maarten 14-in-1 Hammer Multi-Tool stands out from the rest. Whether it's for your dad, husband, or any adventure-loving friend, this multi-tool is guaranteed to impress and make their outdoor and do-it-yourself experiences even more enjoyable.